So we've got cabbage, tomatoes, a little bit of chili in there, a little bit of cumin in there. It's very, very simple. It's beautiful. It's healthy. It's vegetarian. It's vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got 4 cups there of fresh tomatoes. Try and use a nice juicy tomato if you can, chopped up like that. I mean, we're going to really cook it down, so it doesn't really matter. 1 cup of onion, a tablespoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, and in cups, the white cabbage, which is just in shot. There's probably 12, 14 cups there. Let's get moving. So you're of course going to need quite a large pan for this because the volume of the cabbage. In there I've got about 4 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could switch that to something else if you want. There's a cup of onion, a tablespoon of garlic, and we're going to add some salt and pepper at this stage. Above medium heat. I'm going to go just for 4 minutes. Fantastic. Next up, we're going to drop in the 4 cups of fresh tomatoes. We're going to add the 2 teaspoons of chili powder and cumin. And now we're going to go for 6, 7, 8 minutes. What we want to do is really cook these tomatoes right down. So stay on a fairly lively heat. See in about 7, 8 minutes or so. So you can see those tomatoes are breaking down really nicely. Next up, we're going to get our cabbage in. Shredded this like this. I mean, you can do it bigger if you want. So in she all goes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop a lid on this first of all for a few minutes just to let it kind of wilt down, and then I'm going to take the lid off and kind of mix it in. So lid on just for 2 or 3 minutes just to help it cook slightly. And now I'm going to use 2 spoons and just throw this around, give it a nice little mix. The lid's going to go back on. We're going to cook this for about another 5 minutes or so. Again, we're on a fairly lively heat. And it should be done. Okay, off goes the heat and off comes the lid. And that is absolutely wonderful. Really good. Just one more thing, I'm going to put in here quite a lot of chopped parsley. It's like 1.5 cups there. Give that a mix in. Check it for salt, it's going to be fine for me. But yeah, that's delicious, nice and easy. And there we go, beautiful, simple cabbage and tomatoes. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.